I'm not trying to shame anyone, but there's a lady behind me who has been picking up the same 2 bags of tortilla chips for the last like 55 seconds, looking at them and putting them back interchangeably. I don't know what's going on over there, but I hope everything's going all right with you, ma'am. Well met, travelers. I had no ideas for today, but we're back at Whitewater. And hey, before we get started here, this is going to be a chill video, but go ahead and hit that subscribe and like button for me, would you? I'm about to lose my honey mustard lid. I just thought we'd hang out here for a bit. It's not that crowded. Ride a few water slides, get a few swimmy times in, and talk about life. But first, let's talk about this surprisingly good-looking chicken sandwich. Really not that bad looking, huh? It's not. Real quick, because I hate doing this. You know, it's actually fresh fried. It's really crispy. It's good. I don't know what else to say. There's nothing special about it. It needs pickles, but it's good. Good chicken sandwich. The food overall is decent here. Now I have to go compare it over Georgia, but fries are good too. I already had one off camera. Kraft Ranch though still sucks. I love the forest in here.
This is a thrilling tube ride with steep drops, quick turns, and ends with a splashdown. Guess must be at least.
Woo! Bro, my step tracker wasn't tracking any of that lazy river trek. Oh my god. That's so BS, dude. Anyway, let's do Gulf Screamer. I haven't done that in years. Here we go. Woo! Let's see if I stay in my tube. Whoa! That was spooky. Here we go. Body flumes, perhaps? Also, stayed in my tube on Gulf Screamer like a G. I didn't, I fell right out. So again, no real plan here. Just had nothing to do because we got big plans for next week. You better believe your butt on that one. So we're just hanging out, y'all. Enjoy this video and relax, chill. We'll touch on some things. Body flumes, the classic body flumes. So this must be the most boring thing ever. Doing the same shit I always do, but what? So like I keep saying, this is literally just an interim video. It's filler, I'll be honest with you. But it's a good opportunity to just talk about some things. You know, how are y'all doing? I don't feel like we're enough of a community. I wish you guys would comment more and interact with me more. And subscribe more and like more and just do all of it more. But, you know, that's not really important at the end of the day. What's important is your physical and mental health, and I hope all of you are doing okay. You know, there's an old proverb that people would say when they wished ill upon others, and it was, may you live in interesting times. And in my opinion right now, it kind of feels like some celestial being must have said that to the world at some point in the recent past. I don't know, because these are interesting times. And I know a lot of us are struggling right now. I struggle terribly with anxiety. I struggle with wondering if this is worth it sometimes, if you guys care. I struggle with it always. I'm always nervous with my anxiety, my OCD. But I try to just keep going, and it helps to have support. I know not everybody has it. It helps to have access to mental health care and physical health care. I know that not everybody has it. And that's a shame. And it's an injustice. But I think it's going to be okay in the end. I really do. But I want this community to be a place that can act like a support system for folks. Why is my nose itching right now? I'm trying to be deep. Yeah. I do have some really good plans for next week, though. Really good. I think you're going to like it. Honestly, right now we're kind of just getting steps. You know, at first glance, this water park seems pretty large, but it's actually pretty small. As much as I love Dragon's Tail, I think I've hurt my back enough in the last few weeks. Hey guys. Let's go find something else to do. I don't know. You want to go thrifting or to the hardware store or something? That's the big chicken, by the way, if you're unaware of our golden idol there. We ended up at Walmart. My hair's still a mess. I'm sweaty. I haven't taken a shower. I'm gross. Let's get some stuff for the upcoming epic trip next week. So these Heinz beefy teas are absolutely awesome. Pro tip, if you're going on a trip, buy snacks to put in your suitcase for the hotel room. It'll save you a lot of time when you get to where you're going. I'm not trying to shame anyone, but there's a lady behind me who has been picking up the same 2 bags of tortilla chips for the last 55 seconds, looking at them and putting them back interchangeably. I don't know what's going on over there, but I hope everything's going all right with you, ma'am. Essential for any travel trip. My personal favorite. I don't know about y'all. Honestly, that's probably all we need snack-wise. I'm a pretty simple man. Some chili cheese Fritos and some crackers. By the way, y'all are sleeping on the Captain's cream cheese and chives crackers, for the record. Snacks and t-shirt acquired. Back to the vehicle. This is more of a day in the lifestyle video. It turns out I never ever do these, and also it's kind of sad. Usually the scary Walmart parking lot security robot tower is playing weird surrealistic George Orwell's 1984 style Stay Happy, the general public music, but right now it's just quiet out here. Where's the tunes, bro? Where's the tunes? By the way, if you ever see this out on the road, it's your boy. Yeah, I'm that guy. So it's the next day. I lied, I didn't check back in. But things got busy, and it's kind of a nothing video anyway, right? We're just filling the gap. So, with that being said, thanks for coming along with me and having a little silly fun. Hope you enjoyed that, even though it was pretty much void of any valuable content. Please subscribe, like, comment. Please start commenting, guys. I need you to comment. It helps me. And, share with your ex, share with your grandma. Be real annoying about it. All that stuff I hate to say. You know I do. And until we meet again, travelers, Godspeed.